Okay, so we're doing our first virtual lecture or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to do the warm up. So really, you should be looking at this on your own. You should pause this video now if you need to and think about these two questions here. So the first one is, what is the difference between Ddx and Df Dx? Okay, so this is the difference. So Df Dx, this is a function. So for example, if f of x is equal to x squared, then df dx is the new function that's equal to 2x. Okay, whereas d dx, this thing is just an operator. What that means is it takes in a function and gives out a derivative. So an operator, one way to think about an operator is that an operator is a function on functions. So it takes in a function and spits out a function. So the functions we've seen in this class and before, they've either taken in a vector and given out a vector, or taken in a real number and given out a vector, or taken in a vector and given out a real number. But this is different. Operators are different. Operators take in a function and give out another function. So this is called the differential operator, or the finding a derivative operator. But most people just call it the differential operator. Okay, and similarly, there could be an antiderivative operator. Okay, and so there's going to be a similar difference between just this gradient symbol here and the gradient of f. So the gradient of f is a function, but it's really a vector field. It's a particular type of function called a vector field, and just this gradient symbol, again, is an operator. It's an operator that takes in a scalar valued function and spits out a vector field. So it takes in a scalar valued function on R2 or R3 and then spits out either a two or three dimensional vector field, depending on what the domain of f is. Okay, and this we're going to talk about other differential operators in this lecture, but I just wanted to start you off. Here are two differential operators that you've already seen. We're going to look at more differential operators in this video.